In a board examination, competency-based questions are designed to assess the student's in-depth knowledge, concept, and thinking process. In this video, I will explain the 14 question of competency-based question from class 10th maths, which I prepared from each chapter with solution. बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन में कॉम्पिटेंसी बेस्ड क्वेश्चन जो होते हैं उनको इस तरह से डिज़ाइन किया जाता है कि स्टूडेंट्स की तार्किक क्षमता, सोचने की क्षमता और उनकी इन-डेप्थ नॉलेज चेक की जा सके। आज के इस वीडियो में क्लास 10 मैथ्स के मैंने 14 क्वेश्चन तैयार किए हैं हर चैप्टर में से विद सॉल्यूशन, तो पूरा वीडियो आप ध्यान से देखिएगा। x and y are a number such that x is equal to a square b cube c and y is equal to a cube b square. A and b are prime numbers. Then HCF and LCM. Now see, the basic concept of the HCF is a product of the all common factors with lowest exponents. Common factors a and b. The lowest exponents a square and b square. A square b square common with lowest exponents. So this is the HCF. Now LCM, product of the all factors with greatest exponents. All means a, b, c with greatest. Greatest of a is a cube, greatest of b is b cube, and c is this. So LCM is a cube, b cube, c. So the answer is option D. HCF a square b square, LCM a cube b cube c. Second question, given figure showing the polynomial, by which among the following this polynomial divide to get the remainder 0. Second question में दिया हुआ है कि एक polynomial है, इंटरसेक्ट कर रहा है 3 0 x एक्सिस पे, इसको हम किससे डिवाइड करें कि रिमाइंडर 0 आ जाए. So let us see the mathematical form. ये x एक्सिस पर काट रहा है तो it means x is equal to 3. x is equal to 3 means we can write x minus 3 is equal to 0. मतलब इससे ये पॉलिनोमियल बना. तो पॉलिनोमियल हमारा इससे क्या आ रहा है, px is equal to x minus 3. रिमाइंडर थ्योरम एक होती है जो इससे हमें डिवाइड करना है, किसको डिवाइड करें कि रिमाइंडर 0 आ जाए. तो मीन्स यहाँ पर हम x की वैल्यू अगर 3 रखेंगे तो 0 आएगी. तो हम यहाँ लिखेंगे पुट x is equal to 3 इन दिस पॉलिनोमियल. यहाँ हम x इज इक्वल टू 3 रखें तो देखिए क्या आएगा, px x माइनस 3 p इज 3, तो 3 माइनस 3 रिमाइंडर आ गया 0. तो हमने पुट क्या किया, x इज इक्वल टू 3, x इज इक्वल टू 3 पुट किया. तो इसको हम क्या लिखेंगे, पॉलिनोमियल क्या है, x माइनस 3. तो मतलब हमें इस पॉलिनोमियल को x माइनस 3 से डिवाइड करना है तो रिमाइंडर 0 आ जाएगा. ऑप्शन बी. तो कॉन्सेप्ट ये कहता है कुल मिलाकर कि इस तरह से आए अगर 3 0 5 0 तो मतलब वही नंबर x माइनस कर देंगे, इससे डिवाइड करता है. और अगर ये इस तरफ आता तो आता माइनस में, तो हमारा आंसर क्या होता है, x प्लस 3. In the third question, given are two equations y is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 3, has one solution, option B 2 solution, option C many solution or no solution. In this situation, instead of the calculation, let us solve by diagram. X-axis, y-axis, given that y is equal to 0. See, try to understand, y is equal to 0 means x-axis. The equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0 because there is no value of y on x-axis. Now y is equal to, second equation, y is equal to minus 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Line passes through this point, minus 3. So it is y is equal to minus 3 because value of y on this y-axis. So these lines you can see parallel. So parallel lines has no solution. So option D is correct answer. No solution. Now the next question number 4. If the length of rectangle is one more than twice of its breadth and area of the rectangle is given 300 square units, then which ones represent the correct form of quadratic equation? Let the breadth is x, then according to question, length will be 2x plus 1 because it is given 1 more than twice of its breadth and area is 300 square units. Now let us see the calculation. Length into breadth is area. So in the question, option B is our answer. Now let us do some 3 marks competency based questions. Question number 5th. A student draw polygon of n sides. The smallest exterior angle is 8 degree and each subsequent angle is 4 degree more than the previous angle. Find the number of sides. Let the number of sides are n. See in the rough diagram, the polygon, the smallest angle is 8. So each next angle will be 8 plus 4. It is given in the question 4 degree more than the previous angle. And we know that the total sum of the exterior angle of any polygon is 360. So we will use here the sum of the n terms of AP. 2a, first term is 8 and we have to find, and the common difference is 4. Cross multiply 2 to 360, 720, it is 16n, then 4n square minus 4n. We can reduce it by dividing 4. Now let us solve this quadratic equation. It's very simple. We can use the middle term splitting, 15 and 12 instead of the 3. This is 3n and multiply it will be 180. That is the product of first and last term. Now pairing. N plus 15 is common and minus 12, that is 0. So either n will be minus 15 or n is equal to 12, which is negative, so we will reject this one. So answer is 12. The number of sides of polygon is 12. However, it was a 3 mark question, but suppose this question asked in the 1 mark, so don't waste so much time. You move to the next question instead of wasting the time on single one. ये 3 मार्क का क्वेश्चन है, अगर आता है तो आपको इस तरह से करना है, लेकिन 1 मार्क क्वेश्चन अगर ये आता है तो ज़्यादा इसमें टाइम वेस्ट करने की ज़रूरत नहीं, इसके बजाय आप आगे बढ़ें, फिर बाद में आके इसको सॉल्व करें. In a given diagram there are two triangles ARB and PRQ and the angle this is given 50 is 30 and dimensions are given. You have to find the angle B. Let us check the proportions. So if we cancel, so this will be 8 upon 5. So this implies that these proportions are equal. AR upon RP is equal to BR upon RQ. And also this is a vertically opposite angle, ARB equal to PRQ. Therefore, triangle ARB is similar to triangle PRQ by side angle side similarity criterion. Now focus in diagram, student. These triangles are similar, so these angles are equal. This is 30, this will also 30 degree. Equal parts of similar triangle. Now by angle sum property, this B will be, first let us write angle A equal to B equal to 30 degree. So in triangle ARB. By angle sum property, 30 plus 50 plus this angle is 180. So this is 80. So angle B will be 180 minus 80. So the answer is 100 degree. So at a glance, let's see once again. First we prove it similar, then the equal parts of similar triangle, and using the angle sum property we found the angle B. Now question number 7 from coordinate geometry, we need to find the perimeter of this triangle. See student, it is x-axis, it is y-axis, so this is the origin. The coordinates are 0, 0 and these coordinates are given. So by distance formula we can find this distance, or directly we can see this is a 6, 0, it means it is 6 and this is 8. And by Pythagoras we can find out this angle or this side. 6 square under root. So this will be 10. So the required perimeter 8 plus 6 plus 10. 24 units, the perimeter of this triangle. So here in this competency based question we use the coordinate geometry concept.